This isn't a Cessna Airway, so I'm still hoping and waiting for this to be audited so I don't have to record them all day. But they're flying planes in the fake paint jumbo line, and they're only 50 feet, and then by the time they cross my backyard, they're basically touching the star pine, and they just fly by all day and night, revving their planes, doing cover-ups. I mean, what's their claim? Is this a business? These Cessnas are a part of a business that flies by my backyard right next to my house, revving all day long? Planes don't even fly like that. Everyone knows that.